How to change language in Google Photos. So first open up the app and tap your profile picture in the top right. Then go to manage your Google account. From there, tap personal info and then go to language. You're gonna see the other languages section. Simply remove them. And then only leave behind the preferred language that you want Google Photos to be in. Now let's do how to change language on the desktop version. So simply right click anywhere, and this goes for every browser, and then click translate to English. Now this icon is gonna pop up. Now you can do here, choose another language and just select the language that you want. That's how to change language in Google Photos. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.